Hi my beautiful peeps, good morning. Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave a little bit of like and subscribe for other awesome content coming your way. Right here guys, everything green. Celery, cucumber, lime, you can use lemon, 1 apple, a little piece of ginger, and some kale. Alright guys, I'm gonna make some green drink. Alright, natural detox weight loss juice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna blend up all of this and then I'm gonna strain it, and you can use a little bit of honey, optional. If you want it straight, don't use no honey, but you can use about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of honey. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up all of this and I'm gonna come right back. Alright, I'm back guys, and I have more over here. I'm just gonna blend it in portion because it's a little blender. I can use the big one, but I'm too lazy. So here goes. This is, I hope all of this can hold in this blender. If not, I'm just gonna use a little bit at a time because I'm gonna blend more. All right, so here goes. I'm gonna put a little bit of celery. Basically, I think that is one big stalk or stick. My kale. This kale tend to be bitter, like bitterish, so if you don't like bitter, maybe you can use some spinach or something else, but this is really healthy. Ginger, and my apple. You can use any color apple of your choice. Cucumber, you see guys, it hold all of it. Perfection. And I'm going to squeeze half of lemon juice. You can squeeze it now or after. And now this is about roughly 2 cups of water. I'm going to pour that in. Make it full right up. Perfect. All right, that's it. We're going to blend. Can you see it? Look how it looks nice and green. All right guys, we're gonna blend. All right, we're gonna strain this bad boy. Look at that goodness. We're gonna strain it. Oops, be careful, it's splashing up everywhere. Can you see the natural? Yes, the goodness there guys. Look at that. All right guys, I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of honey. You can put a tablespoon, just a little bit for taste, right? If you want it sweeter, you can go ahead and make it sweet, but I don't want it sweet. Can you see the goodness here guys? I have my glass here and I'm gonna put 2 cubes of ice, and I pour it in a different container so I can pour it out, and here goes. Woo! Can you see how refreshing and nice that is guys? Go for blue straw today. And I can't go without adding some mint from the garden. Stay put. There, that's better. Look at that goodness. Oh, can't wait to dive in it. This is good for weight loss, good for cleaning and cleansing your body guys. Good detox. Okay, all right. Yes, I'm gonna drink this all week. All right guys. Yeah, clean out all them cord in my belly. We're not supposed to be there. yes guys, this is it. It looks so pretty and fancy. Oh, all right guys, this is it. Good detox, immunity booster, lots of antioxidants, gonna build and clean your body. All right guys, So love upon me and I love upon you. And this is it: cucumber, lemon, apple, kale, celery. Yes, yes, yes. And a little bit of honey. Optional. All right, guys. You have a wonderful day.